What's up? My name is Young SC or S. Dot. Here from S. Dot Comics. I just doing a quick review over a couple things I got. I had to upgrade my wife's computer because the Sims asked for an upgrade, so she was running on a AMD Ryzen 3, and I forgot what graphics card. But it was going to be no longer available to use or meet the minimum system requirements for The Sims 4 with their latest updates and stuff like that. So what I went out and did is I picked up the AMD Ryzen 7. I went up a couple because it was only asking for the 5, but this is the AMD Ryzen 7 5800X. I picked this up just because it was Best Buy had a sale going on. Also, I like using Best Buy as well for their ease and convenience and ability to speak with somebody in there about computers and hardware and stuff like that. So I already knew what I was doing. So I just wanted to get this to to boost the CPU, and it definitely did the trick. I suggest that to anybody who is looking to upgrade their computer. It's an easy process to do if you have a little bit of mechanical and technical skill. Probably the hardest part is making sure your BIOS is set up for it, because you don't want to get into the situation to where you get your CPU, you change it out, and all of a sudden your computer is black. That did happen to mine, not because the update for the BIOS didn't take when I initially did it, so I had to just redo it. But it's an easy fix. You go back into it, you reset your computer and your board, and you'll put the old CPU in, and basically just put this to the side, put the old CPU in, get it running, update the BIOS on it, and then shut down your computer, and then input your new CPU. It'll run great. What I also did, because her graphics card was down on the lower end for the minimum specs, is I ended up getting the MSI Ventus 3 times, the GeForce RTX 3060 graphics card. I had to modify a couple things on her tower, move the fans around a little bit, so that way we get fans on it, because this is a little bit bigger. She has a smaller mid tower. But plugged everything into the graphics card. Her game for The Sims 4 is now running fantastic. This was an easy install. Not much you have to do. Just make sure you update your computer and update your graphics and everything like that to fit your new graphics card, and everything will load up into the computer just fine. That's one of the big things I will say, is that make sure you update your computer to its maximum specs. A lot of people forget to do it, and they run into a lot of issues. Also, when putting in your AMD Ryzen or your Intel processor, whatever you use, make sure you use the thermal paste. I did the super chilled XTM70. Works great. Put a small pea-sized amount in the middle of it. Press the fan down on it. It spreads all the way out to the edges. You don't have to do much to it, and you're good to go. Again, I went to Best Buy. I already knew what I was looking for, so I ordered it online. Again, the ease of ordering online, walking in, picking up your order, is phenomenal. I needed to add the thermal paste to it. All I did was go on, and I could just order it right then and there while I was in the store, pick up the item, and walk out. I already had my receipt on me. I also spoke to one of the reps at Best Buy in their computer section. It was phenomenal. He definitely knew his stuff, knew his products. I know he had just started working there. It was like his first, week there when I spoke to him. But he wasn't afraid to say he didn't know something, which is a big thing for me. Like, Me personally, I don't like it when people sit there and say, well, you know, I know this, this, and this. Like, he's like, no, I don't know. And he's like, I've been running this on mine. I built my computer. I've bought computers. So it was good to just have a chat. And like I said, I already knew more or less what I was doing. But he definitely helped out. Sorry. He definitely helped out for the rest of the way. So, definitely Best Buy was a great place to go to get these items. Again, setting up your, if you got a new Ryzen, if you got a new Intel, it's a quick, easy exchange as long as your BIOS is updated. There's process videos on that, but always look up how to update your BIOS. And then also the graphics card. Like I said, I knew it was going to be larger for the computer case that I own for my wife, but I know how to modify it to get everything working, and the computer's working great. Her Sims game looks better than ever. My son also plays Minecraft, so his Minecraft doesn't lock up as much anymore when he's running more and more mods on it. So definitely a good thing to do. I would give everything here, graphics card, definitely 5 out of 5. The Ryzen 7 5800X, 5 out of 5. The thermal paste definitely is doing its job, 5 out of 5. It's keeping everything cool that I need cool. No issues with computers crashing, lagging, or anything else. So definitely 5-star rating out of everything, 10 out of 10, however you want to do it, plus the service at Best Buy, top star rating on that as well. And I'm Young SC with S.Comics signing off. Thank you.